Welcome to the Culinary Insider for October 26th, 2018. I'm Ryan Parker. It's Friday, and you know what that means. It means you are already in the weeds for tonight's service, chefs, so get your mise en place together. Recently, the nation's largest supermarket chain, Kroger, announced it would be selling ugly produce in an attempt to cut down on food waste. Hannaford, Price Chopper, and Market 32 started experimenting with ugly produce earlier, but has since discontinued the program. Hannaford used the Misfits moniker as a trial starting in May of 2016 in 14 Albany, New York area stores, but cited the lack of interest from the customers as a reason for stopping. A spokesperson for Price Chopper and Market 32 cited the lack of consistency and quality for their reasons to discontinue selling the ugly produce. Kroger will give it a go under the store brand name Peculiar Picks. Say that 3 times fast. Peculiar Picks. Kroger is the largest grocery store chain by revenue in the U.S. with 2,800 stores and $122.7 billion in sales. Christina Tosi of Momofuku Milk Bar fame is expanding her empire with a new outpost in LA this weekend. She just wanted to be closer to LeBron, you know. The pastry chef will open her new dessert spot, Milk Bar, along with a retail store, dessert classroom, production facility, and distribution center in Fairfax. The LA Milk Bar is the 15th store Tosi has opened as part of the Momofuku restaurant group. Milk Bar LA is a 4,000 square foot giant in a strip mall that previously housed Baskin-Robbins and a laundromat. Her first dessert class, birthday cakes, will be available on Saturday as well, with a ticket price of 195 smackers. That hefty price tag does come with some solace, since the proceeds will be going to a charity, Cookies for Kids with Cancer. Along with the 4,000 square foot space, Milk Bar will debut their ice cream truck, where guests can get her famous cereal milk soft serve ice cream. In late December, Chef Choi will open the doors to Best Friend, his latest eatery and his first in Las Vegas. The LA chef is known for Koji barbecue truck, A-frame, and local. Choi describes his Best Friend concept as a remixed and remastered collection of the evolution of our Los Angeles, its food, its music, its culture. Chef Choi gave a sneak peek to the entrance of Best Friend at Park MGM Hotel. They are timing the opening of Best Friend to coincide with Lady Gaga's residency at Park MGM's theater, so all you little monsters will have a place to eat. Choi said he can explore different things and ball out a little bit. The restaurant bar will be about 9,000 square feet and have an open kitchen, DJ equipment with a few subwoofers, and feature higher-end ingredients. This week, Austin has been under a boil water notice after flooding contaminated the water. Residents and businesses were asked to boil water before using it for cooking or brushing your teeth or drinking it. Some of the hardest hit were restaurants early in the week. Several had to close for a day or two. In the spirit of this funky-friendly town, several breweries have stepped in to help local coffee shops. In one case, Goval Brewery was boiling 230 gallons of water at a time, along with filling several of their holding tanks and shipping it to area coffee shops. "We're in the business of boiling water and being a good neighbor," says Jeff Young. Jeff is the owner of Blue Owl Brewery. His brewery can boil up to 1,000 gallons of water in their steam-heated kettles. For more information on how breweries are helping out in the Austin area, check out the article on Austin's Eater page. That is all of the food, drink, and dining news I have for you today. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you can catch every single episode of the Culinary Insider. I want you to go out and vote. If you have the opportunity, if your county or your state allows early voting, get out there and vote. I voted today. It took 5 minutes. I didn't have to wait in long, long lines because I got it done early. So take advantage of your right to vote. Remember, it is a right and a privilege, And if you don't vote, you can't complain. So lastly, remember, food is life and life is great. I will see you next time on the Culinary Insider.